Hong Kong has 1,000 kilometers of spectacular coastlines, 280 islands, blue waters and white sand beaches. But unless you are super rich, there's no space to keep your boat or water sports equipment safe. Your surfboard does not fit into your home. You can't take it on the minibus and you can't take it on the MTR. So where do you store your boat? How do you enjoy the waters? Please go to www.designinghongkong.com to support our 15 proposals for affordable, public, marine centers, beach clubs, mooring areas and piers.